we are beginning our town tour in Kwahu, and I am also reminding you of the PG Lifestyle that needs to subscribe to the this area is actually a center for government institutions right here in Kwahu. This is Mpraeso in the Kwahu. What time is it? Food time! Have you ever seen Kwahu like this? The side of this iconic Ghanaian town that the media won't show you. Well, that is why the PG Lifestyle, we are here for you. So we are diving deep into the heart of Atibie, Mpraeso and Obomeng to uncover all the notable areas and local life that makes these towns stand out. What's good, guys? Here we go again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share to someone to also see this video. Let's do this. Right, so we are beginning our town tour in Kwahu. So Kwahu is actually made of different towns over here. So we are beginning from Atibie, then we go to Mpraeso, we do Obomeng as well, different towns in Kwahu here. And remember, I'm doing this with you guys, so I'll be your tour guide for today. Let's dive in. So the traffic here is only telling you one thing, that Easter in Kwahu is no joke. Because you can see that the traffic actually started from the beginning of Atibie and it goes straight into the other sectors as well. So we are still touring Atibie. Let's carry along. So town check, we are now at Mpraeso. So Mpraeso is actually next to Atibie. So let's see what Mpraeso is also made of. Let's tour inside Mpraeso. Come along then. Still here in Mpraeso, but it looks like Mpraeso is more busier as compared to Atibie where we started, and so we'll be using this route to Obomeng. And I am also reminding you of the PG Lifestyle that needs to subscribe to this channel to be seeing lots of these videos. And so guys, for easy as I just can, it will take you straight to the YouTube channel. Let's carry along with our tour inside Kwahu town tour. So let's do this. just passed through the Mpraeso High Street and we are now at the Ghana National Fire Service Mpraeso branch. So Mr. Tesi, so far, how is the general impression of Kwahu upon passing through, I think we've passed through 2 towns. What's your impression so far?
What I would like to say is, you know, Kwahu right now is a very busy town, you know. They are very busy. I think when it comes to the Easter, that's what I'm hearing from most of the people. When it comes to the Easter, you see a lot of people here. Someone even asked me whether are these people also human beings. I was like, hey, really?
Because
so I think
lots of them.
there are very plenty. So I think Kwahu is very busy. It's very busy.
And everywhere you pass through, there are joints for enjoyment.
Everything you need.
So I think we are heading to Obomeng, one of the places also
where we have to.
Town. So we'll be carrying along with our viewers and our cherished subscribers. So there is Kwahu Gardens right over there too.
Wow.
So Kwahu,
if you get money, you spend whatever
you enjoy a very good Easter right here in Kwahu. It's a Kwahu.
So we have another notable area here. This is where the National Health Insurance Authority is. National Insurance, the NHIS. So we are located here in Mpraeso. Right, so and after that you go to where the Ghana police station is. They have a police station nearby. I think their community is just cute enough to have all the importance and notable area. So guys, opposite is also the Ghana Water Company. I think they are fully packed over here. They don't need anything to distract them. So see this way leads to the Ghana Company. So right from the police station, the NHIS, the water company, you go straight to the ECG. This is where the ECG is.
And there's a Mpraeso hospital right over there as well. So it looks like this side has got some really notable areas right here in Mpraeso, from ECG to Water Company Limited to the Mpraeso hospital.
We Father Gaza from Atibie.
Oh yes.
OTF. Only the family. If you hear of this brand, Charlie, it's the hardest brand.
What should be your water? Right, so upon reaching Mpraeso, we actually came to meet the Kwahu South Municipal Assembly, where you would see some number of government institutions centered across this area. So you would see the Ghana Tourism Authority right here, as well as the Ghana Immigration Service. So this area is actually a center for government institutions right here in Kwahu. This is Mpraeso in the Kwahu District of Ghana. Let's carry on. Also Ghana meets Niger.
fine.
We're Kwahu South. So we're taking this like 2 a.m. over here. It's 2 a.m. and you could tell that the traffic situation here is so tight. This is Kwahu Easter 2025. Cheers! I've read no such channel. 5 minutes.
What's the bread? Bread say 3, 2 cities bread. The coconut milk bread. A dozen. A frozen. What's it? Emanuela. So Emanuela is telling us breakfast this morning. We have wheat and we add bread to it. You can't wait to be born. You can't wait.
By them a fine here, so dear. Yeah, we did breakfast. Our breakfast today is street food actually. So we're doing wheat with sugar, milk, and some bread. Before we climb the mountains, that's because of where the Easter is actually ongoing. So guys, let's do have the breakfast together and then we presume to the Mpraeso there. That's the visualizer. Yeah, they're quite trading from now your Kwahu South mountains.
Me, pouco para mim, mas é que isso
What's on multimedia?
What is it?
Indeed, it's food time, and that's how we wrap up with that street food tour right here in Kwahu. So guys, you are invited. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share to someone. See you on another one. Bye.